News coming in now. Supreme Court has pulled up the centre over the FDI and multi-brand retail, expressing concerns over the policy. We have Rhythm joining us on this phone. Rhythm, what have been the observations of Supreme Court over this FDI and multi-brand retail policy by the centre?
Well, Devina, very surprising and rather blatant observations, I would say, coming from the Supreme Court when they're hearing the PIL against FDI policy. Firstly, the Supreme Court goes on to say we are not policy makers. They are clarifying that they're not trying to interfere with the FDI policy that had been passed 7 weeks back by the Parliament, but it must be within constitutional parameters. The Supreme Court also asking the government, has the government got any investment, or is this a political gimmick, which they are really trying to establish whether the FDI policy will be put in practice by the government. They're also asking clearly, and I quote, has it borne some fruit yet? And that's a question that the government will have to answer when they file a written submission before the top court of the country within a few weeks. The SC also expressed concern, Devina, for small traders. The Supreme Court asking the government, there is an apprehension that there will be a serious threat to small traders. The prices will be artificially brought down by the bigger companies. The poor traders will not be able to compete with it. What will happen? These are the kind of observations that the top court of the country makes to really try and establish what will the future of FDI and policy be. They've also made it clear that they don't want to come and question or interfere in the policy making of the government, but it has to be within the constitutional parameters, and therefore they say a policy is not always sacrosanct. Very clear expression of the doubts that the top court is having on the government FDI policy. The government will have to reply in the top court of the country within a few weeks. After that, a rejoinder will be filed. This court will be hearing the matter within 5 weeks. But clearly, apprehensions that the government had were also played to rest by Attorney General, who was present there for the government, who said the small traders question which the Supreme Court is raising has already been debated and solved in the Parliament. So these are not new questions. He tried to pacify the bench by saying all the apprehensions of small traders have also been already put to rest, so do not worry about it. All eyes will really be on what and whether the government's reply will be able to satisfy the Supreme Court bench.